Hello friends, thanks for stopping by. I hope you're all having a great day. I just ignore the mess behind me, okay? I had to stop all construction until this coronavirus is over with. So that's why you see all them little spots right back there, and one day it's gonna get done as soon as this virus decides to leave us. Okay, so today's video, I just got done doing a tutorial and I already wiped my lipstick and everything off. But, you know, I love Bay Harbor Beauty's body products, and she has ventured into the skincare line, and some of her products are really, really nice. But she just reformulated her, let me put my glasses back on, just a moment. She just reformulated her Sake Oil Cleansing Balm. She took out the fractionated coconut oil because many had concerns and would break out from it. So she's now replaced the fractionated coconut oil with jojoba oil, and jojoba oil is very much like our own oil, so I think that's why many people can use jojoba oil. And you know that I absolutely adore her jojoba oil scrub, and the eucalyptus mint is my favorite, and I love the body cream as well. But today I thought, well, I have to remove this makeup because I don't wear a lot of makeup when it's really hot out, because I just don't think it's good for the pores, and because we have to stay at home, I'm not going anywhere. So I just decided I was going to try this on camera for you. So this is just going to be a try it to see how well it removes the makeup, and let you see how it works. And remember, I love supporting the small businesses right now because, and a lot of people will say, how dare you shop? How dare you shop? Well, how dare I support the economy? Because remember, not all of us are working. Some people are still working, and thank God they are. They, as well, as much as taking care of us, they are also providing for their own family. So if you can shop, then shop online now. Help to keep the economy going until we are through with this. And especially pay attention to those small businesses, the Bay Harbor Beauty, the Frisco, all those smaller businesses. They need us more than these smaller businesses, my friends. They will not survive unless those of us that can help them do. So Bay Harbor Beauty is one of those small businesses that whatever we buy from her helps to provide for her family. So that's why I'm still shopping, my friends. All right, so let's go ahead and try this. Again, it's her Sake Oil Balm, and she has changed the formula from coconut to jojoba oil. Now, I do have a bowl of water here, and I am going to just go right over my eyes. Usually I use my Bioderma micellar water to remove my mascara and everything, but I thought because I have on a lot of mascara and eyeshadow, I would go ahead and use this. So I'm just going to go ahead and scoop some of this out. Now, with a cleansing balm, you don't really need a whole lot of it, but I'm going to take just about that much. And if you have a little spatula, you can use that to really, you know, take your balm out of the jar. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and warm it up in my hands because that's what I do with all of my cleansing balms. And I do like a cleansing balm to remove my makeup. So I'm going to go ahead and just start to massage that in. I'm going to go right up underneath my eye. It has great slip, so there's no pulling on the skin. And I'm going to go right ahead. It feels just like any other cleansing balm. And what I'm going to do, my dogs will probably come running in here like crazy fools because that's what they do. I'm going to touch my hands in the water, and I'm going to go ahead and start to emulsify it because I really do like a cleansing balm that emulsifies. And this formula, I will say, it's emulsifying better than the older formula. It must be the jojoba oil. Okay, so now I'm going to go right over my eyes and just start to work that off. I don't usually do a cleansing balm over my eyes because for some reason they all leave a film over my eyes, and because I am the type of person that goes to bed and reads, I'm going to reach in and get my cloth now. I read before I go to bed, and I usually have a nice little film over my eyes. So I'm going to go ahead, and this is my Wonder Cloth, and I'm going to go ahead and wipe this all off. And then I will just go over my eyes. It's a very soft cloth. And you can go ahead, and I always do a second cleanse after my cleansing balm. But I do like the cleansing balm to remove most of the makeup. And it has. But you can use this as a second cleanse if you would like. So I have another Wonder Cloth here in warm water, not hot, not cold, warm water. And I'm just going to go ahead and wipe again. And you can see that wiping again really did not take any more makeup off. So what I'll do now, because a lot of people do just do their second cleanse with their cleansing balm, I'm gonna go ahead and do a second cleanse. Now I will use less because I really don't have any makeup to remove. So I'm just going to go ahead and warm it up in my hands again. And I'm just gonna go over my face one more time. Most of the time when I do my second cleanse, it is with, I'll use it depends on if I'm gonna use my new face or not. If I'm using my new face, it has to be an oil-free cleanser. But I will use my Sanita's Milk and Honey after a cleansing balm. I just like the way it feels. I also have been using the Somerville Goat Milk Cleanser. I like that a lot too. So I'll go right over my eyes with this again, just to make sure I've gotten everything off. And then I will go in the water again and one more time, emulsify. Right over my eyes. And I will take that same cloth and just wipe everything off. And you can see, after I'm done with this, you will see that the first round really pretty much removed all of the makeup. There is just a trace of makeup left from the first one, which did remove most of my makeup. And then this is the second cloth using 2 rounds. And it really did a great job. Now I have one more cloth that I'm just gonna go over just to make sure that it really did remove everything. I like these kind of try it videos where you just focus on one product to see if it works. Okay, so there is the muslin cloth. And it's perfectly clean. So this is really, really a nice, affordable, clean cleansing balm. Again, that is Bay Harbor Beauty. It's their Sake Oil Cleansing Balm, a small company that needs our help. If you can shop, if you can't, we all totally understand. There are people suffering. We know this. But if you can, support small businesses right now so they can survive this virus mess, okay? And I also have a code. I make absolutely no money from this code at all. I am not paid by her, not sponsored, nothing. I just really like her products and it makes me feel good to pay it forward to help someone else. All right, my friends, so again, I will list and link everything below that I either mentioned or I used. And I will list Bay Harbor Beauty below for you. And don't forget to take a look at the lovely jojoba body scrub. Oh my goodness, it is my most favorite product of hers. I actually have a lot of her skincare products now that I've been using, and my skin, it got a little sensitive on me through menopause, and I do really well with Sanita's, and I do really well with the Bay Harbor Beauty, and I do really well with dermatology products. And I just ordered from Nordstrom because they now carry SkinCeuticals. So I ordered the eye cream from them. because I have a couple of eye serums that I use, and Bay Harbor Beauty actually has a really nice retinol eye serum that was inspired by me, because I do like retinol around the eyes. But my friends, I have not been disappointed with this, and if you were someone who really wanted to try the cleansing balm, but you did not like the fact that it had the coconut oil in it, go ahead and try it now, because it has jojoba oil, which is very much and very suitable to most skins. All right, my friends, that's it. If you haven't already subscribed, you know I would love to have you as an ageless beauty, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button right there. Right next to it is what is that? It's a heart button. Yeah, I think it's bell. It's a bell. Right next to it is a bell. Go ahead and hit that bell, because it notifies you of all the videos that I am putting out through your email. Until the next time, my friends, if your state has allowed you to venture out a little bit, do it with caution, be responsible, be thoughtful of other people around you. Social distancing is still needed. If you cannot go out in the world, then roam the halls of your house. But while you're doing either, be happy, healthy, beautiful, and most of all, my friends, lovable. I love you all. Bisous.